Hello guys, welcome to my channel Landscaper fastest, easiest, most fun to learn Photoshop drawing and Photoshop poster design. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw this landscape in Photoshop. And guys, must tag me when you upload this drawing on social media. And guys, this is my social media account, Insta account, Landscaper and FB page Landscaper Dipayan. You can follow him in there. So let's start. File and name the white pixel to convert to inch, fire white 12 and height 7.5 and resolution 300 and color mode RGB. Just OK. Create a new layer and next lasso tool, then draw a mountain, okay. Copy this color code, Ctrl C, then paste this color code, Ctrl V and OK, and Alt backpaste for foreground color, then Ctrl D for deselect. OK, next create a new layer, select brush, right click, then select your three brushes, okay. Next select background layer, then create a new layer and lasso tool and draw again a mountain. Yeah. Yeah. Again. Alt backpaste, Ctrl T for deselect. Okay. Background layer again, then create a new layer. Okay. Lasso tool, again draw a mountain, Alt backpaste, Ctrl D for deselect, again draw a mountain, Alt backpaste and deselect, again draw a mountain, Alt backpaste and Ctrl D. Next background layer, then rectangular marquee tool, select this area, then gradient. Okay, gradient. click here and copy this color code, Ctrl C and paste here, Ctrl V. Okay. Again click here, then Ctrl C, paste here, Ctrl V and okay. Next, create a new layer, then use your moon brushes you can download from Google. File, then open. Double click, color overlay, then pick this color and okay. Yeah, next click here, then create a new layer, use blur brushes. Yeah, then next pick this color and okay. And opacity 50%. Yeah. Next, click on this layer, create a new layer, then pen tool, use path and Ctrl plus enter for selection, then white or brackets and Ctrl T for deselect. Okay. Double click, then outer glow, then increase the size. Yeah, opacity 95%. Okay, then Ctrl J for layer copy, and here yeah, then Ctrl J again, create a new layer and use star brushes. Where is my star brushes? Where is my star brushes? Here.
Yeah, this one.